Welcome back to craft time. We're going to make a nest. Lots of ways you can make a nest. We could even use sticks from outside to make a nest, like the birds do. The birds use all kinds of things they find, grass and mud and twigs. Sometimes they even find string or dryer lint. Anything they can find, they'll use to make their nest nice and sturdy for their babies. I'm going to use a paper bag. If you don't have a small paper bag like this, you could use a big one. So we're just going to cut this bag down and make it a short little bag. And then I'm going to save this extra from the top. Friends, just keep rolling down the top of that bag. Scrunch it up. Keep rolling and pressing it down. If you don't have a bag to use, you could use a circle out of cardboard or a cereal box. Okay, I kind of scrunched it all up. Does that look like a nest? It kind of does. And then you can add things to it. So again, I could put sticks in here. I could glue them in or just set them in. This could just be a toy nest for you to play with. You could play with this outside and you could build, or inside, and you could build a nest with whatever you find. You could put some yarn in there, you could put some sticks, or you can put some crinkled up paper at once. You can take this whole big rectangle and fold it like a fan. Remember when we did that when we made those rainbow butterflies? So remember, we fold it over, and then we turn the paper over and fold it back. Turn the paper over and fold it forward. Turn the paper over and fold it back. And keep doing that until it's all done. Finishing up. Now, it's a really big fan. I want to keep it folded up like this. Mom and Dad might have to help with this part because it's thick, so it'll be harder to cut. So you might want to do a smaller piece and fold it like a fan, and then it'll be easier to cut. I'm going to just cut little top like this. And when I cut them, watch what happens. Boing, 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 boing. It's crinkled up. So then I can stick it into my nest, and it makes it look like it's lots of different pieces in there. So I can fill that all up with this crinkle paper. Hey, I have lots of crinkle paper. I can put that right into my nest. Then I need something to go in my nest. What would be in a nest? Baby birds. That's right. So for this, you can use a pine cone and make it into a baby bird. Or if you have any plastic Easter eggs, you can use that for baby birds. I happen to have these too, but I like the colors of, so I'm going to leave them like that. Or you could paint these whatever color you want your birds to be, and you can use whichever half you want. You could have the taller, pointier half as the little baby's head, or you could have the rounded bottom to be the baby's head. You can choose, or you could use both and have one bird that's bigger than the other in it. And then you set those in there, and those are your baby birds. Now you can add to them and put eyes on with a marker and add a little glued on beak. And then they can be looking up for their mommy going, feed me, feed me. I'll show you what that looks like. Hey friends, I cut out a beak shape, triangle shape, that was folded in half. So it's one triangle and two triangles. It's connected so that when you open it up, it looks like a beak that's opened. Okay, you see that? Triangle up, triangle down. So a diamond shape, and then fold it in half. I colored it orange on both sides. Then I glued it to the middle of the top of my baby bird. And then I drew on eyes with a permanent marker. And then I have them sitting in the nest. It looks like they're waiting for Mom and Daddy to come and bring them food. Have fun making your own baby birds and your nest.